Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 13 of Treasure Trovember. If you're just joining us, I suggest you watch the welcome video. There's a link down below. It's a really easy challenge to get yourself caught up on. We're not even at the halfway point yet. You can also register for free and get a free download, 30 tips for 30 days. That will give you some helpful hints. Today, day 13, the prompt is add grunge. Add grunge. If you need some ideas, I'm going to also link to a grunge papers video that I have created in the past. So add grunge to your collage today, and I will see you back here tomorrow for day 14.